And here is your first look at the off-white Jordan 1 UNC. Dead stock. How crazy is that? Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing my most expensive pair I've ever bought. So I'm pretty excited for these. I paid resale for these. I needed them for a comparison video, so I thought may as well just pull the trigger. So here I am unboxing my most expensive sneaker that I've ever bought. Came in pretty good packaging, pretty impressed. Came all the way from Holland, shipped it in 5 days, so I was pretty impressed. Just gonna open them up and kind of hope they are the shoes that I want them to be, because I haven't actually opened this box before this video. This is my first time opening it, first time for you as well. So here we go. Oh, probably should have got a knife for this. Oh, it goes all the way around. Oh, it's gonna be so annoying. Really should be more prepared for videos like this. Right, back in 2 seconds, need to get a knife. Right, that's me back. I've got a knife this time, and I've just stabbed myself. Oh, that worked. Didn't even need the knife. God's sake. Gonna put the knife down here. Open it up. I'm kind of nervous. So you can see where I purchased it from by the branding on the paper. So pretty nice touch. Text the box as well. Open it up. We will move this to the side. They wrapped it up pretty nice. Pretty good packaging. Open it up. Feels like Christmas. You can probably tell by the box what pair of shoes these are. So take a look at the label. I got these in a UK size 13, US size 14. Pretty much the only one they had available that was dead stock. And I'm not really going to keep these, I just needed them for a video. But they're going to be absolutely massive. So we'll open them up. Here obviously is the receipt and proof of purchase, so shout out to them for providing that. And here is your first look at the off-white Jordan 1 UNC. Dead stock. How crazy is that? So here is both of the shoes out of the box. Does come with the spare blue laces and obviously the spare orange laces as well. So comes with OG everything, pretty happy with that. And now we'll just take a look at the shoes. So here is the pair of off-white UNCs. They're absolutely massive. Look how big they are. But what a clean pair of shoes. These would be amazing if they were in my size. You don't often see a dead stock pair anymore. These are immaculate. Like, I know they're dead stock, but I'm still shocked at the condition. Don't think I've ever seen a dead stock pair of these in so long. There's no yellowing at all. Perfectly white condition. Well, obviously, and blue. But yeah, really happy with these. Shame they're not my size. So if anyone is a UK 13 and wants to buy these after the video, let me know down below. Obviously, on the outer side we have the classic disconnected swoosh with the off-white tab on the side, and then on the inner side we have that off-white text printed on it. They're just really nice. Like, they're way better in person than they look in photos. In photos, I sometimes think they look a bit too much. The coloring is a bit too bright, but in person, I can see why this is the perfect summer shoe. This is such a good purchase. And I wish these were my size, because I probably would wear these over the Chicago ones. So they do come with the off-white tag attached. It looks pretty tight, not sure why it's like that. Don't know if you accidentally tightened it by mistake, but look how tight it is. Obviously they don't come pre-laced, so that off-white tag comes attached to the bottom lace around the toe. but I'm just going to show you some images of these shoes because probably this camera isn't doing them justice. I do have a fake pair pretty much straight down there, so I will be doing a comparison in the upcoming days between a retail pair and a fake pair. I know I did do a video before, but the person who owned the retail pair wanted the video taken down for personal reasons with his retail pair, so I've had to source this retail pair, and it is a dead stock pair, so it will work better for a comparison. So if you saw the last video, check this one out because it's going to be probably better. So I just want to end this video with a big thank you to all of you. Without you subscribing, I would not be at this stage. Didn't think I'd ever be purchasing a shoe of this price to do a comparison video. So thank you so much for all of your support. Really does help me in so many ways. And if you could please like, subscribe, do all that stuff to help the channel grow. I can do bigger comparisons like this, maybe even do bigger ones in the future. So just a thank you to everyone who subscribed and supported the channel. Without you, wouldn't be here today. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.